Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Diggin, NorCal. I'm out here with the Sacramento Valley Detecting Buff Club Hunt, and we're out here in the tot lot, and it's raining out here. Not heavy pouring down rain, but the last time I haven't been metal detecting is because of the wheat, the breeze, the wind, trees being blown over, the floods, and all that stuff, and so it's been maybe a couple of weeks I haven't been metal detecting. So anyhow, I'm out here in the park. I'm gonna see what we can find. I'll get back with you. And we got one guy right over here with his dog Maddie, Ken and Maddie with the dog. And then we have a few guys that are out that way on the outside of the top light down there. And then there were one guy over that way somewhere. I don't know where he went now, but oh, there's one guy over there, and one way out that way by the cars, and then you can see one out right over that way and with the yellow rain jacket. So all right, I thought I found this kind of thing. It's just kind of neat. I don't know what it is, but it's like I don't know. Oh, it's like a sculpture or something. And then there's another one just right over there. And I got my pad on the ground there. My metal detector, the Garrett AT Max. There's a guy there, and then there's another guy right over there with the orange jacket on. And then we have a few guys that are down over that way, and there's one over that way, and then there's one out of the car right now. He put stuff away. And this is the park that we hunted at. It's been raining off and on over here at this park. And kind of muddy and crazy. Alright, and I'm gonna get to the wrap up shortly when everybody comes in. So I thought, alright, we'll see you shortly in the wrap up. Alright, here we are in the rain. Rain coming down a little bit harder than it was earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and show my wrap up here in the rain. Everything's all wet. These are all my pennies right there. Those are my dimes, my nickels, my quarters, one pull tab, and one big silver spoon. Silver spoon. Nice. Now I'm hunting with an AT Max.
Hey John, Roger hunting with an AT Max. AT Max. Yep, I got me a Jeep. Got a hot Jeep. Look at that. Wow. Belt buckle. Belt buckle. Bunch of junk. I got a blinger little stone thing. It's kind of cool. That's pretty. Yeah. And I got a bunch of change here. I don't know how much. I didn't count it. But I got 3/4 and a bunch of dimes. And pennies.
Oh, crazy rain. Crazy. We got a couple of guys right over there digging a hole, and we got Dan coming in. Oh, there's a raindrop that's falling on everybody's head here today.
Raindrops keep falling on your head. That's a fisherman's wharf penny.
Huh?
Fisherman's wharf penny.
Yeah. Then we have Elaine coming in. Michael's working his way back towards this way. Man, this rain is just getting crazy out here. And there comes Michael right over there. And John will be right back. And somehow we got a coffee shop right on the corner right over there. The coffee shop, Starbucks coffee. And Michael made it in. Right there with the red jacket.
It's a little bit wet out here today.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty crazy. And then Richard made it in.
How you doing, Richard? I did pretty good.
And we got Chris over there. He's still going at it.
Loaded with petrol.
And Dan's out his truck putting his stuff away.
Hi, I'm Mike, hunting with a Apex.
Apex, alright.
Yep. Found a few things today. Quarter. This is a pendant. I haven't cleaned it up yet. But,
Okay.
Nothing's cleaned up. Leave it out in the rain.
I think you got something right there. Like a little pendant.
that's the pendant. I guess this is a cap here. Sorry.
Oh, okay. That's like a bottle cap there.
Yeah. And a few other odds and ends and some junk. But yeah, interesting day.
Alright.
Half a wheezy.
Oh, okay.
That's a little bit better.
And then we got Richard here. He's hunting with the Legend, he said. And then he found this ring that's got a dollar sign on it.
Got some today.
Wow, look at all the little diamonds on her. Iron Man. That's pretty cool.
Same as a dime.
Alright. That's cool. Alright.
Yeah, hi, Robert and John. This is Bundy Lane, and I'm hunting with a Vanquish 340.
Thank
And I got a lot of bottle caps, wire, one ring, a bunch of pennies, a quarter,
Oh, there's your
a
ring.
nickel, a few dimes.
Right up really good. Really good.
And then
It's got a lot of skulls on it.
What's that?
Oh, diamonds.
here, the fingers and bony hands.
Oh, really?
Alright.
Hi, I'm Dan. I hunt with the MXT.
MFT, alright.
I got 2 dimes. I think that's a really long bullet that got fired and hit something really hard.
Bullet casing?
No, it's a bullet.
It's a bullet.
Oh.
Lead port, okay.
And then I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pennies. 2, 4, 6,
Beaver tails.
8, 10, 11 rings. 2, 4, 6, 7 Ronald McDonald tokens. And 2, 4, 6 bottle caps. This is a key.
Nice key. Yeah.
That's an expensive car.
What's that?
I think that's a piece of a bottle cap. And then this thing. Yeah, I don't know what that is. And that's my find for the day.
Alright.
Yeah, that's the nickels. Yeah.
Hey, it's Chris out here hunting with my NorCal Legend.
Noka Legend. Noka
Man.
Legend, alright.
NorCal Legend. And I found a lot of junk, but I'm trying to figure out what it's doing. And I've never been so muddy in my life.
Just a little bit of mud.
Yeah.
Hey, that's better than nothing.
All right. You sure? Because I got a lot of bottle caps.
Okay.
Oh, another nickel too.
Is this yours or mine?
Six nickels. The Nocta.
Okay. And a big heart.
Yeah.
Heart.
There's a heart there.
Gotta love it.
Gotta love it. Alright.
Alright. That was Richard hunting with the Noka Legend.
And
The view today was the most.
And I guess
Nickels.
Richard's got it. He got 7 nickels.
Richard has 7 nickels.
And then his prize, and then Richard's prize is gonna be
And Richard, here you go. He's got a beautiful ring.
and it fits his finger too.
And
today because
What's
he
the-
won.
what's
He
the other
gets
side?
a nice quarter.
Oh, no year on that. Let's see what the year on this.
Oh,
Yeah, let's see what year. The 1964 quarter that hit that hit prior for the day.
2023 is looking up.
2023 is looking up. Got silver already.
I want to thank
All
you
right.
again for taking the time to help me out with my NorCal leg.
No problem. Do that update when you
And this is the part that we were out here in the rain.
dial this.
Next time I'll bring my.
Crazy day out in the rain today.
It's in the car.
It's just